come down. So I plead with all Nigerians, and God bless all of you. Today, to endorse our son, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for second term in 2027 as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We want to remind all of us the state of things in Nigeria when we have our former late president. And now Nigeria can now see that they have a future in spite of insecurity. We know that we are going to overcome the insecurity situation in Nigeria by the grace of God. We, the Yoruba community, Karo-Jire, have been observing the excellent performance of these two men. We only want to thank others, like the Speaker of the House of Rep, Dr. Tajuddin Abbas, for all their efforts in supporting him. So we want to encourage all Nigeria to support President Ahmed Tinubu and to endorse him and to vote for him massively in the coming election in the year 2027. We will all live to reap the dividends of democracy as being led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And we want to tell his enemies there is no point wasting your energy in fighting a man that God has chosen for this moment. This man is a God choice for Nigeria, and no man can remove him. Those who are planning coup plots, and those that we have been hearing are coup plotter suspects, they will all fail, and they will fail tremendously. So I want to assure all of Nigerians that we know that no man can remove Tinubu. Any man trying it will fail. And we also want to let others know, especially Seyi Makinde, who has turned himself to be enemy of Yoruba people, that we endorse him for Kalakuta Republic in Kirikiri. He has borrowed over 300 billion for journey to a land of for a wasted journey. He wants to become president by all means, and he keep on dividing the Yoruba, the traditional council of Oyo State, putting the head of Alaafin and Olubadan and Shoun against one another in order to become president by all means. We want him to go to the history and remember all those that betray Yoruba cause, how they ended. And we want him to retrace his step. But if he doesn't, we endorse him. There are many republics in Nigeria. There is a Kalakuta Republic, and we endorse him for Kalakuta Republic in 2027. Because all our money that is wasting, that we must have packed to use to fight Tinubu, he will give account of them after he leave his position as the governor of Oyo State.
Professor tọrọ ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n ọ̀tún náà ṣùgbọ́n tí wọ́n bá ti wà rán ètí afẹ́kámọ̀ ní pé wá ti dìbò yàn wọ́n gẹ́gẹ́ bí igbákejì. Tún àbádòfin wa ṣe ní èkejì abẹ́ṣètò ìdìbò gẹ́gẹ́ bí constitution.
Torí ètò abẹ́ṣẹ́ báyìí sí ètò tó kọ́ wá gbọ̀ngàn ni. Àwọn elédè míì wọ́n ti endorse bàbá wa, àwọn ẹlẹ́yà míì wọ́n ti endorse.
University can acknowledge We still have Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway ongoing. They are doing.
You shall stand on your mandate. You shall stand on your mandate.
Mr. Sunday, Chief Sunday, Ọ̀dẹ́kúnlé Olúṣọlá, àwọn ni fọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ jẹ́ ká pàtẹ́wọ́ fún wọn. Ẹ káàbọ̀ ojú àgbéwà. Mr. Abdulgani. Mr. Abdulgani.
Ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ wọn ní ẹ̀rọ láìpẹ́ òun ní endorsement. Àwọn olóyè wa tuntun tí ìyẹn ta lè ti ṣe tán báyìí láti di nílẹ̀ táwọn olóyè tí wọ́n ti fún wa ní general náà àwọn náà ti wà pẹ̀lú wa àti náà àwọn media àdẹ̀rí news.
Potentials. We have the human resources, we have material resources, and God is with us. We used by any enemies of this nation to create crisis in Nigeria. We, by the grace of God, it will definitely succeed. Thank you very much to the voice of these enemies. Thank you very much. Drastically come down. So I plead with all Nigerians, and God bless all of you.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí wúlò àdúgbò ká ṣe máa ń gbé sọ by the media. On your Monday.